Hi, this is Ryan, and you're going to learn all about the badger. The badger is important to its environment because if the badger wasn't there, there would be less big animals to kill the little animals, and that would mean the small rodents would roam and take over the land. The weather is really important to the badger because they need warm weather to live. If they live in cold weather, they would die. Their ecosystem is also important because it has all the types of food it needs. The badger was not originally an animal that lives in Pennsylvania. It originally lived in Canada and Ohio. Badger experts think that the badger was brought into Pennsylvania or the weather changed and the badgers like our weather so they are moving our way really slowly. The badger's population is growing more in Pennsylvania and very fast. They live in mainly grasslands and forests. The American badger lives in the western part of North America. Well, the badgers need to eat the food they need. Badgers don't really care if their prey is dead or alive. They will mostly eat the small rodents and grass. Badgers are really good diggers and dig into the ground to make their homes and hide from predators. Badgers have strong feet for digging and strong front feet. All badgers have scent glands near their tail. They can shoot bad-smelling liquid from the glands. When you hear that, most of the time you think of skunks. Badgers are actually related to skunks and have similar colors and adaptations. Badgers are predator and prey. They like to eat earthworms, insects, small rodents, snails, grass, nuts, and berries. They basically only have one predator, which is humans, but they do have some others. They also eat lizards and bunnies too. Badgers are strong for their size and can fight fiercely. Badgers normally live in sandy areas with some rocks. The badger species will curl up, and since they are pretty dark animals, they sort of look like rocks. Sometimes instead they just dig down so predators can't get them. In this picture, you see these things that are brown look like rocks. Those are actually badgers in camouflage. Badgers are omnivores because they eat both plants and animals, insects and fruits like berries and bracken. Beavers are nocturnal. They come out at night and hunt. They hunt for plants, small rodents, insects, berries, nuts, bracken, grass, and snails. They hunt for a lot of other stuff at night, but that is what they hunt for most often. Badgers are consumers. They eat other animals and plants. A producer is a living thing that makes its own food. Badgers do not make their own food. They eat others. That means they are consumers.